Here's the app called Gizmo Make Gizmos, a new creative platform. Unleash your creativity with Gizmo, a free app that transforms your ideas into interactive experiences in seconds. Create without limits, design everything from interactive puzzles, hilarious memes to 3D toys using simple prompts. Share your creations instantly with public URLs. Anyone can open it even without the app. Post your gizmos to the feed and join the community. So here's the idea. Browse through a vibrant feed of user-made creation that push boundaries, powerful creation tools. The Gizmo editor lets you refine your creations, add effects, sounds, change layouts. That's kind of the idea. Kind of AI-based, another Instagram-like app. So let's just download it. And let's just open it up. So then you just created your account, you added your username. So here you selected your username and can also invite find friends in here. So you can just share the link like that. Snapchat, Instagram, you can just sync your contacts. So here you have it. So this is how you can just have it like that. So this is what you have. You can then also share it. I don't think there are some kind of referral codes or invite codes in here. Nope. So this is just what you have. And yeah, so that's that. So now you have your gizmos, and then you can then just scratch it off. Welcome. Pretty cool, right? And you can also use pretty cool. And then you can just add like an idea, images, sounds. You can just also make image, and then it's just basically creating your AI image just like that. So it's taking time, as you can see, like 30 seconds, but I'm not upgraded, as you can see, so it's completely free. But yeah, it's just so now finally you have it like that. So this kind of some animated GIF. Then you can select like flow speed, droplet count, tweaks. You can add text, colors, change the color of it. So pretty cool. Then you can also add some sounds. So this is not just it creates GIFs, it also creates controls for you. So you can just customize with controls which are also automatically being created. So this is something new. I haven't seen it. Like, okay, so these controls are standard, like vibes, but I was quite impressed with the tweaks where you can just have flow speed and droplet count, which are something it's just recognized from my prompt and created itself. And then you can just post it, and then you can just post like that. So super easy to post it like it. and then you just have it there. And then that's just what you have. You can then just search, you can find some profiles in here, find some activity, and that's the idea. You can edit, you can unpublish. Wow, pretty cool, right?
Better, faster, never, never, after.
Wow, pretty cool, right? So you can just upload photos and have it like that. So yeah, something quite cool in here which you can try. And so that's just what you're having. Pretty cool viral app, and you can just find friends, add friends, you can share it. There are no invite codes or promo codes, or seems there is no premium version, but yeah, super advanced AI GIFs.